discussed under the last video. I discussed about the profit period incorporation question number 1 and 2. Now today we are going to discuss the question number 3. And the short problems in the textbook they are already given in the 4 problems. Under this 4 problems it's the third problem, and most probably this problem is repeated in the short questions also in the final examinations. So first of all, the period of financial year is starts from 1st April to 31st of March of every year. But in the question already they are given the post incorporation period starts from 2009. So that is the reason I am going to take as first for 2009 to 31st March 2010. So date of incorporation is 1st May 2009. It is already given in the question. So it is a time ratio. Actual pre-incorporation starts from 1st April, but they are started from 1st May. So that is the reason 1st April to May, its duration of 1 month is already completed. So that is the reason pre-incorporation on here will take as 1, and remaining after 1 month, how much the months are remaining in a year? In a year there are totally 11 months are there after deduction of 1 month. So it is 11. So the time ratio is 1:11, and already in the question they are given as a pre-incorporation is 4 and post-incorporation is 20. So how we are going to calculate it as a post and pre-incorporation period? So we will take it as a weighted average method. Under that, number of workers divided by total weighted time ratio. So number of workers are 1:10 is the time ratio is equal to 11 into 20 already given in the question. So that is the reason we will take as 11 into 20 is equal to 4:227, because of 1 into 1:4 is 4, 1 4 is 4 and 11 20 is 220. So if we will deduct as 4 1s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 and 0 is 0. So 2:11. Otherwise we can't deduct the amounts, and directly we will take calculated as 4:220 also will get the same answer, but we will deduct from here. And here also 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. So like that we are going to deduct it, and we will get as 1:5 ratio. And the total payment of wages are 1,20,000. They are already given in the question. But pre-incorporation wages are 1,20,000 into 1 by 56 is equal to 2143. 2,143 rupees is a post-incorporation wages. And pre-incorporation. Now we will discuss about the post-incorporation wages. Post-incorporation wages is 1,20,000 into 55 by 56 is equal to 1,17,857. So it is a question number 3rd answers. So after completion of this, we will go to the 4th problem, that is salaries of the workers. Already they can't give any ratios or any percentages, so that is the reason we will discuss under the 4th problem completely theoretical part. Under theoretical part, first the salaries of the working partners. So sir, where we are going to take the salaries of the working partners? So in an item which should be taken only in pre-incorporation and paid to the partners also in the company. Next, rent of the building, it should be appointed on the basis of time ratio of pre and post incorporation period. Next, director's fees, it should enter the charges of post incorporation period, since there are the directors before incorporation of a company. Next and final, advertisement expenses, it is a sales expenses, so it should be appointed as a sales ratio between pre-incorporation and post-incorporation period. So it is a completely theoretical task under the 4th problem. After completion of this 4th problem, we have a 12 marks problems are there, and 12 marks problems it is compulsory question in the final examination. So all of you must and should write, and very easy problems. There is no any complications under that. Just we have to find the time ratio and sales ratio. If you find the time ratio and sales ratio, then we'll get easily. So we'll discuss on the next video the long problems.